Hello, and welcome to Tuesday, January 12th. It is day 2 of Module 16. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have 2 activities in Async. First activity is a discussion post on negatives. Think of something you never, ever want to do. Explain why you don't want to do it. You must use negatives to explain. For example, I never want to bungee jump. I do not want something to happen to me. I never like to go on crazy adventures like this. To be honest, I do not want to die. So that's how you should do it. Just something quick like this. Your next async assignment is an activity in MEL. You're going to complete in Unit 1 the close reading Kakenya Ntaya. All right. And that's it for async. Let's go to sync. So we still have some leftover stuff to do. We're going to start with a digital literacy survey. So it's important that everybody comes. And then we're going to do some grammar practice, and then we'll do some essay writing on racial inequality. And if there's time, we'll read our first chapter in our book, A Picture of Nobody. All right. And that's it. Good luck.